Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to find hidden chats in Microsoft Teams with ease. Since Teams offers a wide array of features, it is common for specific messages or conversations to get tucked away. However, bringing these chats back is a very simple process. First, make sure you are signed into your Microsoft Teams account. Open your app and enter your login credentials, as you need to be active in your account to reach your full chat history. Once you are logged in, navigate to the top of your screen to find the search bar. This search tool is your most effective resource for locating any conversations that have been hidden from your main list. Simply type the name of the person whose chat you want to find into this bar. Microsoft Teams will immediately start showing relevant results as you type, which helps you quickly pick out the right conversation. A helpful tip is to verify the spelling of the name or try different search terms if the person doesn't appear right away. When you see the hidden chat in the search results, click it to go straight to that conversation. This makes the chat visible for the moment, so you can read through the messages. To make the chat stay in your list permanently, look for the 3 dots labeled More Options next to the chat's title. Click these dots to open a menu with several management tools. From this list, select the Unhide option. By doing this, the chat will remain visible in your main list, saving you from having to search for it every time you need it. That is all it takes to uncover hidden conversations in Microsoft Teams. This straightforward approach helps you stay organized and ensures that your important dialogues are always within reach. The next time a chat goes missing, just remember these steps to retrieve it quickly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for managing your communications. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore our other tutorials for more useful tech tips and tricks.